Hello everyone, how are you all? I welcome you again to an interesting video where you are going to learn some interesting crafts. So here we have drawn an interesting creature, and with the help of these folds, let's make the back part of this, and your tortoise is absolutely ready. Now let's see cutting the shape of a circle and then pasting it like this and then folding the paper in the manner as we are doing, and then opening it further. You'll find it a Japanese looking fan, and what we have to do, we have to create another the same thing and just join them together with the help of a rubber band. And here's the butterfly. Isn't it looking so beautiful and amazing? And you can further decorate it and make the antennas and all, and you will make your butterfly look super amazing and beautiful. Proceeding further, let's see what are we going to do. Make the character like this, and with the help of pencil you have to draw, and with the black marker you can do the same thing. And now you have to put it and cut it in the way as we have done, and with the help of another thing you have to make some paws and claws of it. Let's see what are we going to do next. You have to fold the stripe like this, and you will get creases on the paper in the manner as we are doing, and then fold it like this. Now cut it and you will get something beautiful in this manner. What we have to do, you have to paste the pictures and like this, and here's to the one. Isn't it looking beautiful? Proceeding further, you have to take the shape in the form of this, and you have to cut the shape. What else are we need to do? You have to cut it in this form and then open it. Yes, this is your eye mask that you usually wear in your parties. You have to decorate it further by using your black marker and then paste it like this. You can further decorate it by putting the strings around sticks, and this is a cat-like structure. Isn't it amazing? You can just pull it like this, and with the help of stick you have to put it in between. Isn't it looking amazing? Damn amazing. Don't you want to try? You can make as many as you want. Proceeding further, paste the sticks like this and put it like on the white sheet of paper, and you have to fold it in this manner and then paste the eyes, and your penguin is ready. Put the paws and claws. Beautiful, isn't it? Proceeding further, what are we going to do? You have to make the circular part like this, a semicircular one. Open it and you will get shape like this. What else do we have to do now? We have to fold and get the creases like this in the manner, and then join it like this, the two one, and you have to put the strings in between and just join it. You will get an amazing look. Now with the help of ice cream stick you have to put it around, and then the shape and the mouth, and this you have to decorate it further, and you have to paste here. Isn't it amazing? And you can make as many as you want. Proceeding further in the video, take the shape like these and you have to decorate it and cut it further. Using black marker you can mark it and then cut it further, and you can put your lollipop in between. Isn't it amazing? And paste it like this, your hearts and all, and it will look damn amazing and pretty. Proceeding further, take the plastic cups like this, and what you have to do, you have to put it in between, and you can paste the eyes as well and the ears, and your cute rabbit bunny is absolutely ready to play with you. Proceeding further, what are we going to do now? You have to cut the paper like this and fold it in the manner as we are doing in the video. You have to put the eyes and then the black one. Again you have to decorate the eyes further with nose and the claws like this, and your bird is absolutely ready. Isn't it amazing? Now let's see, with the help of scale you have to draw the lines and cut it in the way as we have done, and let's see what we have to do. You have to fold it in the circular form and get the shape like this. Proceeding further, you have to decorate it further and you will get an amazing shape. Thank you so much for watching.